Edition of Toggle's Daily Video Insights. My name is Jan. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Toggle. And as you already know by now, we're going to take a look at a particular stock this morning. This time it's GlaxoSmithKline. If you'd like to see these more often, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we do an overview of a particular asset every market morning. Today, what Toggle is highlighting is that the price level of the company's stock has reached a point where historically it's actually been quite a good time to get in and buy it. In fact, when it had previously reached these levels, the subsequent rally over the following 6 months was 17% or more at least half the time. And this was based on about 11 similar occasions. And the way to check this really quickly is if you just click on why it might move, the system basically shows you all of these prior occasions when you've had exactly this kind of situation in terms of price. And you can see just visually that that was followed by a rally. The next thing to do, of course, as you already know, is to quickly take a look at this in our overview widget. And so you click on this in order to take you straight back to this screen where you'll be able to see what other insights the system has previously produced. And actually there hasn't really been anything until this recent bullish sign. Looking down through the insights as well as some of the alerts, you can see that actually there have been points where the system was highlighting that the valuation has gotten low, but upon analyzing it, this was not a trigger to highlight a potential rally until the price reached the level that we're seeing now. Going back to the overview, again, what you don't want to see is the price dropping below 32.40 at this point. This is usually a good stop level, and beyond it, we assume that the odds of this driver still being relevant and the cone reflecting historical paradigm have dropped quite meaningfully. So much for GlaxoSmithKline today. In the daily brief, if you receive it, it should already be in your mailbox. We also discuss the focus by the administration and the policymakers in Washington on the unemployment rate and why they're going to try to push it to levels similar to what had been reached pre-pandemic. If you don't receive the daily brief, please subscribe at the toggle.global, and you can also test drive the Toggle Copilot there as well. Thank you for your attention, and we'll see you again tomorrow.